When you play rock, paper, scissors, paper covers rock. So how does that relate to our success formula? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate and lead and inspire. Last time we got together, we were talking about a new way of looking at the success formula using the old children's game, rock, paper, scissors. To briefly sum up what we talked about last time, the rock is getting a burning desire, a purpose, an objective that is worthwhile, not having as a goal something that even if you achieve it doesn't help you. All right, so that we talked about that the last time. Let's talk about how the paper covers the rock. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, there's three ways. First, you must put your goals on paper. You got to write them down. When you express your goals in a simple sentence, it creates clarity. It makes things simple. It gives direction that makes sense. Without clarity, you're throwing your darts against a wall instead of aiming for a bullseye. It's the place you start every day, reminding yourself why you are doing what you're doing. It's the bell that rings that gets you poised to start round one each and every day. Why is that important? Because it's the difference between getting started, getting to a starting line, and procrastination. It starts your engine. And once you have your engine started, you want to keep it running at maximum velocity. So how do you do that? By keeping a continual focus on your objective. How do you do that? By having written reminders bombarding you everywhere you go. Have your goals pasted on your bathroom mirror. Have them on the dashboard of your car, on the wall in your office, on your nightstand next to your bed, on the picture of your spouse and family, on the light switch in your bedroom. Any place that you frequent on a regular basis to remind you of your single purpose, your burning desire. You are what you think about all day long. Become that goal. That objective consciously, become that objective consciously through repetition and reminders. Remember to keep these inspirations short and simple. Simple. Complexity is the enemy of execution. Repetition means retention, which means you'll start to connect the things that you see, hear, taste, smell, and touch to your objective, and they will provide you with new angles to help you solve your unsolved opportunities with unique perspectives. In a word, you'll be provided with continuous focus, which is the key to accomplishment in two ways. First, your conscious mind will embrace and relate your surroundings to the task at hand. And second, your subconscious mind will single out your burning desire to the infinite partner, the universal mind, and separate it from the other 60,000 or more thoughts that we generate on a regular daily basis. This presents the infinite mind with a bullseye to help you receive mind flashes and circumstances that you could neither predict nor plan to help you move forward. It will enable you to identify opportunity in places you were unable to conceive on the conscious plane. The third use of paper is to keep track of your progress, to measure results. An example of that is the way the United Fund colors in the torch to measure the progress of reaching its financial goal. Progress is the elixir of life, the best motivator. For instance, if your goal is to lose 25 pounds, commit to regular measurements and record your progress. Small, step-by-step successes lead to and inspire continued success. It's easier not to supersize your meal when you're doing it for the greater good of sculpting the body that you envision for yourself, for becoming that fit Adonis that you want to become, for achieving the identity of that person that you seek to become. Now, using our formula, rock, paper, scissors, the paper must cover the rock. That worthwhile, productive goal that you've envisioned in 3 ways. So here's how the paper, once again to review, covers the rock. Commit your goals to writing in a simple, motivating sentence to express clarity. Second, bombard yourself with reminders of your single purpose so that it becomes your single purpose, your burning desire. You'll then be able to embody your focus and minimize distracting elements because repetition means retention. This mobilizes both the conscious and the subconscious intuitive minds and aligns them with your desired end result. And third, record your results on paper to measure progress. Progress is the elixir of success. The key to self-motivation is continued, measurable progress. All right, rock, paper, scissors. So what's left? Well, next time we resume, we will focus upon the scissors. And because we're never going to end a meeting on a philosophical note, let's get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad.